Hello, Matthews Gatos here. In this video, we're going to look at the steps for dividing decimals. So step number one, I want to eliminate the decimal in the divisor. Now the divisor is the second number, and I'm going to move the decimal right until the divisor is a whole number. So I can see I have 2.3. I have to only move it over one time. Now it's a whole number, and that whole number is 23. Well, to be fair, if I did it for the divisor, I also have to do it for the dividend, which is the first number. So I moved it one to the right. So in the dividend, I move it one number to the right and I get 170.2. Now, it's okay if the first number is a decimal. The second number can't be a decimal. So we're going to set it up for long division. The divisor goes on the outside. The dividend goes on the inside. Now, as soon as I have a decimal in the dividend, I also know that I have a decimal in the quotient. So the decimal lines up. So now I'm going to look at for the groups of 23 that go into that number. So for me, it's not easy to think of all the multiples of 23. So here's a good little tip for you. We're going to start listing out the multiples of 23. So the first multiple of 23 is just 23. Then I'm going to add on another 23, and my second multiple would be 46. Add on a 23. My next multiple would be 69. Add on another multiple. And my next one is going to be 92. And I just keep doing this here. The most that you would ever have to go is up to 9 times. So 5. But the time that you save by doing this, I know it's a lot of time to do it. It's going to save you such a headache when you do this long division. Trust me. So add on another one is 161. So this one was the 6th. This is the 7th. We'll just keep going until we get up to 9. 4, 8, 1. This is 8th. And then one more, 9. Won't be any more than 9. And that is the 9th one. Okay, so what did we do that for? Here we go. 23. How many groups of 23 are there in 170? Instead of now sitting there and thinking and doing mental math, you can go down your list. So it's not the first, it's not the second, it's not the third. We can go higher. It's not the fourth, it's not the fifth, it's not the sixth, it's the 7th. So I can see 7. It goes in there 7 times. Now look, 7 times is 161. And so now I subtract. So 170 take away 161 is 9, or if you prefer, you can again do that borrowing, and then 10 take away 1 is 9. Okay, and then I bring down the 2. So how many groups of 23 are there in 92? Let's use that strategy again. So it's not 23, it's not 46, we can go higher, it's not 69. Look at that, it's exactly 92, which means it goes in there 4 times. So 4 times 23 we know is 92, and we have a remainder of 0, which is what step 4 says. Continue dividing until you get a remainder of 0. So 170.2 divided by 23 is 7.4, which also means in our original equation, or original question, which was 17.02 divided by 2.3, that answer is also 7.4. So I hope that little trick helped you for division. So I hope this video helped, and I look forward to seeing you for the next one.